First, what does it mean to be content? To be content means not just willing to tell the story, but to be the story. For the reporter to be the news, not just the reporter of the news. To learn directly from people who made, have used, or are the most passionate about the brand, rather than someone who simply has a job to market or to sell. In business, we found the title of thought leaders, but the effectiveness of these thought leaders often fails because we fall short of showing authenticity. As a leader, you can say that this is the way to go, but we need to actually see you going there. What about your story or personality makes you believable? This is where today's consumer stands. They want to see you walk the walk. They want to see someone that can convey a message that is not an endorsement, but is from a first-hand, unsolicited experience. This brings us closer to authenticity. When there were technology barriers between the person with the experience and the person seeking their knowledge, we expected a delay. We expected the company to burden the expense of packaging that person and their experiences into content and then delivering that to us. And because we accepted that the company and the marketing department had to be the middleman, we accepted the filtering out of authenticity that occurred, but not anymore. You see, the result is the perception that anyone who gets in between the person with the experience and us must be intervening to hide something or to add bias to the message. We know that today, the person closest to the brand, the person with the hands-on expertise, has no barrier between them and us. You are that person. You have the experience. You have the knowledge, and you are passionate about the topic. You are the content, and there is little to no barrier between you and the person waiting for your message. It's time for you to be content.